In just 60 seconds, you can turn a single vertex into a high-end, customizable photo frame. Let's jump into Blender and see how it's done. First, delete everything from the scene. We'll begin by adding a single vertex. If you don't have that option, just go to Edit, Preferences, hit the Get Extensions tab, search for extra objects, and install the add-on. Alternatively, add a cube, enter Edit Mode, and press M, Merge at Center. Now, press 1 for front view, and let's build the profile. Hit E to extrude, then Z and type 1 to go up, X and type 1.5 to move across, Z and type -1 to bring it back down. Finally, select the bottom vertices and press F to close the loop. Once that's done, right-click in Object Mode and convert to Curve. Head over to the Object Data Properties, go to Geometry, and change the bevel type to Profile. As you increase the depth, the frame starts to form. You can tweak the graph manually or use a preset. I'm going with cornice modeling for a classic look. When you're happy, convert the model back to a mesh. In Viewport Shading, go to Edit Mode, use Face Selection, and go to a side view. Select the side faces and delete them so the frame sits flush. To finish, select the rear edge loop and press F to fill it. Try moving the edge loop for the inner front loop to make a place where the image sits. We are done here. A nice-looking picture frame. To scale it, just grab the top or side edges in Edit Mode and move them along the axis. It's a great asset for museum scenes or any interior project. Don't forget to subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Enjoy!